In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Manscaped razor not turning on. If you want to fix the issue, you have four options to consider. First, battery issues. Charge the razor. Ensure the razor is fully charged using the provided charging cable. Check the charging indicator light to see if it is working. Battery replacement. If the battery is old or damaged, you might need to replace it. Contact Manscaped customer support for assistance. In the second option, travel logs. Disable travel log. Some models have a travel log feature. Check the user manual for instructions on how to disable it. Typically, you will need to press the power button 3 times quickly. The third option is faulty power button. Check for damage. Inspect the power button for any visible damage. If it is damaged, you might need to replace it. The fourth option is internal component issues. If none of the above solutions work, it is possible there is an internal issue. Contact Manscaped customer support for further assistance or warranty claims. So, I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.